people. So, wow, you have that. Are you wearing that sticker there? No. Okay. Y'all, we're on the way to the monster trucks. How's everyone feel? Is everyone excited? Yeah. But yes, we're on the way to do tour to see the monster trucks. We've never been, so I was like, I'm gonna take y'all with us. Hopefully, I can bring y'all in there for real because I just feel like they're gonna like. You have too much items. Jackie's here. We have arrived at Bowman Gray for the monster trucks, people. It's packed out here. We wait for my mom so we can go inside. We're going in now, y'all. My mom Julian is in front of us. It's already loud. I'm low-key excited. Nephew's clapping up, he's ready. We've blacked out for the occasion. We're ready. It's crazy out here. Mary. She can't even hear me. It's crazy out here. We just got in here and they're already ordering food and drinks. Kitty got some dried candies. She doesn't even know what to do. Airhead and they're freeze-dried candies, she said, in case you can't hear, they're Airheads and Skittles. It's starting to fill up.
31 laps led out front. Lee Jeffries has 89 laps. That's the race for the David Jewelers Diamond.
It's starting to fill up, y'all. People who go to these things, can y'all explain to me why they're doing it? Why are they doing it? Swerving. Well, they're not, they ain't doing it. But why they be swerving around? Like when they get right there, they be swerving like. What's happening right now? I don't even think it's the race right now. I don't even know what's going on. And another thing, y'all. Why do they have to go around a certain amount of time and then leave and come back? This is what I was talking about earlier. Why do they have to do this? Like swerve back and forth. What does this do? They're really close. Because he didn't do it. They are really close. Oh my God. Y'all, your girl is hot.
It's double points. Have I said that enough tonight? Chris Carter,
it's now
double points in all
1 hour
divisions.
until it actually starts. And I think somebody's about to come back out.
The official jewelers of Bowman Gray Racing is David Jewelers Diamond and Gold Gallery. They also buy gold and offer expert in-store jewelry repair. Over 63 years of service.
Tell them there. Jessie had disappeared. We don't even know where she went. Now they're going around the track like one lap or something. They're timing them. Everybody else cheer, honestly. I don't know what's happening. As you can see, your girl is sweating. It's hot. I'm this close to taking my wig off. This close. Okay, this close. I should have just put my hat on like Mary back there. I should have been like Mary. He didn't do too good. They didn't clap for him, did they? I have to lift my shades in my car. This ain't
Brett Myers,
it.
Tim Brown, Lee Jeffries, Chris Fleming.
Y'all, I'm up here at the top. They about to do the t-shirt cannon.
Get up on your
I'm
feet
up
right
here at
there,
the top. I got me
turn
something to
one.
drink.
I see you
I'm
over there.
standing here in the shade.
Make a little noise
Okay.
for me. Get
The sun
you
is
a free
beaming out
t-shirt.
there. I'm about
Come
to show
on, let
y'all.
me
We're sitting down there.
All
You see
right,
Mary's
look
head.
right there on the track.
Uh-oh, they got the
It is
cannon.
the Wake Forest Athletics Demon Deke riding
Oh,
on
man.
his bike.
It's packed out here now, y'all. Look at
Y'all
that.
give him away.
They ain't playing no games with us.
Matter of fact, y'all get up on your
Loading
feet.
them up.
Let your leggings, people. Come on, let's see you on your feet. Let's see you waving your hands in the air.
Oh, it's a t-shirt. Woo! Oh my gosh, Keisha could have got that. Oh my gosh. Oh, Keisha could have literally just got that shirt. She did not move quick enough. She let the kids get it. Her little arms, bruh. I'm trying to soak up as much shade as I can before I go back down there. It's like the sun came out and we on the wrong side. It's like when you go to an away game and they sit you on the side that they know that the sun's gonna be on at first, so that the home team can be in the shade and the visitors have to suffer. That's what I'm feeling like right now. We picked the wrong side to sit on. People are already out here looking like they getting sunburned. It's crazy. Look at that sweat.
No other RV dealer can
They
offer
showing
you
us the
more.
RVs
Whether
now,
it's a
y'all.
weekend getaway or the journey of a lifetime, we've got you covered. Visit us online at BillClemensRV.com.
All the race is about to start now. First of all, I almost said monster trucks.
19
It says
competitors
demolition
stay true for their
derby.
starting positions.
Like,
Here's how they'll line
if I
up.
don't see no monster truck,
Starting 19 from Winston-Salem, the
They about to
car
do
number
20
4,
laps.
Emily Lewis.
I want to see the monster truck.
Rolling off
They're
at
off,
Matthews.
guys. They're
That
off.
is your starting lineup.
They're doing that little swervy thing again.
John Barrows, Street Stock Series, Dable, Joanna,
Maybe it helps get them prepared for the race. I don't know.
Caution lights. It looks like it's going to be John Martin
Oh,
over
what
there.
happened? What happened over there? Lord, they there ran,
Hear that
y'all.
sound and see the blue light?
Oh, Lord. What happened, number 6? Number 6, you okay?
Correction. All eyes on the scoreboard. A great haircut will never go out of style. and a
Oh,
great
they
clip is
moving,
gonna
they
be great.
moving. They're okay, everybody, they're okay. Number 12 left them in the dust. They left them over there. You ran into them. There you go, y'all. I forgot I was zoomed in.
Concourse near the
We
south
finna
gate.
start it back
Between
up now.
turns 1 and 2.
We finna start it back up. Okay? They doing a little swish swish again. Side to side. Hold on. I'm talking. Y'all can't even see what I'm talking about. They doing the side to side. Until I learn what that is, that's what's gonna be to me. Side to side. Oh my God. Sir. How are you already banged up like this? Did you just get into the race? Oh, dang, that's what happened here. Why are you still looking? What are you doing?
To that number 6.
What are you doing?
Going to end this night early.
Sir, your whole tire is out. Please tell me about good. I'm about to say, if you're trying to do the race, dang, and he said about to end his night early. Why are you making a joke, announcer? That is crazy. I'm not prepared. I'm not prepared.
No time getting to the front, getting by going back at your pole center. Bringing along
This is crazy, guys.
second position.
It's high action. It's high action. He didn't crash into the grass, Lord.
I call 811 before you dig. Second, caution flag
Good
is denied.
Lord, he just swerved and they coming to help him. We're here. We're here. We're here. Oh, wow. That's funny.
Business is definitely picking up in our long
Oh, my gosh. Y'all, I'm geeked over here, bud. Oh, my goodness. They got to push him all the way off like he can't run no more?
between the 0
Y'all, why is that? Does this automatically disqualify you if you go in the grass?
all that going on.
Somebody tell me the rules. I don't know.
03. He was an innocent.
Like it's starting to pick up out here. It's getting wild.
We got 6 laps
getting
complete.
wild, Jackie.
We're going 20.
Y'all look. He is banged up too, y'all. He banged up too. Number 3. Everybody banged up, bruh. Y'all, 16 is not. Go, Yo. Oh my God. He got a whole piece. It's a whole piece. It's a whole piece. Why he over there in the grass? What happened to him? That must be his front piece right there. Yo, y'all, when I was recording that last clip, this is what happened. I missed it. This is getting crazy. Ooh, it's smoking. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. It is smoking. Get him out of there. What are y'all doing? Get him out. Oh my gosh. Get him out of there. Oh, it's smoking. Why is he still in the car? Why he just, oh, he had a way. I'm about to say, what happened to him?
I think they gotta be in some kind of order or something.
Oh, he got Monster Zeke on his Monster University. Okay. I need to zoom out. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. But God, get him out of the car. Where is he at? Get him out. 16 ain't letting up, y'all. He's still in first place. He been in first place. Oh my God, look at his car. Are you okay? Number 1, are you okay? Oh, his say Trinity. Hey. Okay. Everybody just busted up. His whole front gone.
Number 31244. You win a Universe First Aid Kit.
It's a new race, y'all. 55 is not letting up, as you can see. He said, you can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. And the yellow car has stayed in last place the whole time. He's not passing anybody, the little yellow car. 55 about to catch up with the yellow. Slow down, Billis.
Little J is.
7 laps on the board. This first
Y'all, it's getting tight. It's getting tight. It's getting tight. Ah! Ah! 55 said you can't get me. That's crazy. Ah! 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 Oh God, he's losing parts. 55 is laughing up, 12 catching up, 21's coming in strong. Look at that car! It's flying apart! 55 say y'all ain't gonna catch me. 12, you ain't gonna catch me. 22 is broken. Oh my God! Ah! When they win, they do a little final lappy with a little flag. All right, y'all, it's the little daddy's turn. It's the little daddy turn. Look at the little daddies. They finna pop it off. Okay, little daddy. Little daddy down, little daddy down.
tight point battle.
Uh-oh.
And Nebraska all-car modifieds, as we said earlier, Tim Rayland
I don't know.
leads by a slim 3 points.
Yeah, little daddy. Woohoo.
See the blue light? Well, it's time to
There's a lot going on. They're only on lap 10, guys.
If you're one of the first 15 barrels to arrive,
And they have to do 20. Yo, my mama had false advertisements on my foot truck. We just watching races. The winner of the Little Daddies. did the first round, but we're doing another 20 lapper. So
He must have to be
my mama said these are the rejects, but I don't know. I don't think that's the proper term, and I don't want to disrespect nobody. But people are missing good. Whole front. They doing a little swervy thing. They doing the snake out here, y'all.
How's the best fans?
They're about to start it up.
Doing tonight. Can I hear you out there?
Woo! Y'all, they talking junk with the engine, bruh. He said run, and he was like run, run. I don't know what they said, but they was cussing. They was cussing at each other. I don't care what nobody says. They were just cussing each other out. They said you ain't gonna win. If you want this smoke, I'm finna give it to you.
Robinson, index number 31.
Goodness! Somebody popped.
Right there.
He started
steaming.
steaming. It's a lot going on out here. Apparently, number 7 is 15. And 31 is 18. How old can you be to start driving race cars? Like how old? What's the age limit? Number 3 just popped beforehand. Where's 22? He better be off the track. Okay, he is. Because I'm about to say, sir, why is you on the track? You just basically blew up. The little steam thing, like a little steam engine, it came out the little hood. He's smoking. What's happening? He even swerving. What's the benefit of the swerve?
Next Saturday night.
He's doing the little snaky snake.
Sportsman 100.
Snaky snake.
For these.
Wow, he's 15, y'all. This is his 3rd win. Look at him go. 3rd win. He's 15 years old. Why that car sitting there? He's just sitting there. I can't see us right now. But we're leaving. The races are still going on. My mom got bamboozled. She had us all thinking we was coming to see monster trucks. It was just a NASCAR race. And I've been to one before with the band when we had to play. But it was interesting. We had a good time. Jalea said she had a good time. Keisha. Yeah, Jasmine's crew, I want to say they had a good time too. But I'll talk to y'all when I get home because the phone finna die and y'all can't see me. Jump scare. I know y'all probably like, ooh, child, I gagged because y'all was expecting the wig to be on and the straight backs is popping. But I'm back home. I am watching, what? Okay, y'all, so she was just talking about how she had been sick. But I'm watching Brittany. Editing this church announcement video because they sent me another thing to add to it. So I just figured out how to get the Facebook video off. So yay. I'm about to finish that. I started getting hungry, so I made some ravioli. So I'm gonna eat that, and then once I finish the video, I'm going to shower and probably get into bed because your girl, like y'all saw, was hot. I'm tired and I'm ready to lay down in my bed, which I don't know how that's gonna do because I was folding clothes today. Haven't put any of them up. Still have a couple more items to fold. We might just move them to the other side at this point, and I probably will put them up tomorrow. But anywho, nevertheless, that's besides the point. My mom got bamboozled, as you've seen. She told us we was gonna be going to the monster trucks. Not one monster truck in sight, not one. But we still had a good time. Everybody was laughing. It was crazy. It was getting intense, and I definitely enjoyed myself. But yes, that's all we doing tonight. Keisha's already in her bed, relaxing. Jalea, I think, is next to be in her bed relaxing. And now it's just me who needs to get in their bed and relax. But this first, send it off for church in the morning, and then eat my ravioli and I'll make it do what it do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post. And I'll see y'all next time when you come vibe out with your girl. Hey! So y'all, I know I ended the vlog yesterday, but why my niece seen that the monster trucks actually came out at the end? If we would have just stayed for the rest of the time, we would have saw the monster trucks. So she didn't get bamboozled. We just didn't want to stay to the end. And I was wondering, I mean, when we left, there was still a race going on. Like, they had just started one. But I thought they were just going to do that. When I looked on the thing, it didn't say nothing about monster trucks. It said everything else but the monster trucks. So how was we supposed to know that they was going to come in the end? Like, how was we supposed to know? So we missed the monster trucks. But we saw a race, or 2 or 3 or 4. I need to clean my area up. I just need a clean period, y'all. I took stuff out of my trunk. It's getting out of hand over here. It is getting out of hand. And I need to complete some art stuff. And band camp is like next week, basically. And I have not completed the things I wanted to have completed for band camp so I could just give them their stuff. And now we're here. Summer is gone. Keisha and Julie are about to go eat. I am about to make me some pancakes. And I made some coffee. But the last couple times I made coffee, it just was not hitting. I think I've been putting too much creamer in there. I don't know. It's just not the same. So I'm about to cut back on coffee for a second. Because, I don't know. As y'all can see, I'm watching YouTube. About to go eat. And now the vlog is really ending. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Hit the notification bell so you know when I post. And I'll see y'all next time when you come vibe out with your girl. Hey.